interior. I'm actually going to show you guys the interior as well. I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the last video, but I do have the seats. I have the front seats, I have the rear seats, I have the door panels. I've been waiting on these things for about like 6 months, man. But I finally got them. It's all to the good. I will do one more. I don't want to bore you guys. I'm sure you guys seen the car. I will do one quick walk around for those of you that have just jumped into the video or the first time to your channel, so you guys can actually see the car. And since I got you here, I got your attention, please do your boy a big solid like, subscribe, show love, hit the thumbs down. Only if your ugly ass is the bum, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, let's get into the video. I have a couple things on here that needs to actually be lined up. That side was cut, the other side was cut. The rims, when I send this thing off to the paint shop, I need to find some stocks or a smaller rim from the front, because until I put a motor in here and bring the damn struts down, that shit is tearing up the fenders, and I don't want that to happen. Under the hood, that's the color we rocking with. It's gonna be white with a pearl in it. My big bro Ty said I shouldn't do the pearl because what I want to do to the car with like the black accents and all that. But I don't know, man. I don't know why he put the hood on. He should have painted it first, but he lined it. Ivan, boy, yeah, I don't know. He said he got everything under control. We about to see tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? Anywho's, this air breather is going to stay on here. This is actually the factory one. I don't feel like taking it apart, but if you look at the bottom, it does have the air filters right there at the bottom. These damn things are damn near impossible to find. I'm sure you can find them, but when I was looking at the time that I was looking at them, you could not find them. So as far as the rims goes, they're 22s, some 22 JJs, whatever you want to call them. I did put the trunk on yesterday. All I have to do now is put on the spoiler and have him align it and all that stuff. It's not really even on all the way. We are going to start installing the goddamn motherfucking heavy boy. We're going to start installing this interior. So it just came from the upholstery shop. And yeah, if this portion right here don't like fall in flat or whatever, I'm going to have him redo it and go over it. But I know everything else does need some time to kind of settle in. This motherfucker heavy. God damn. Thought y'all was bullshitting. Anywho's, let me go grab the seats so y'all can see what the seats look like. And then we actually going to start installing the seats, man. I wanted Twin to be here to help with this, because she don't get the fun part only, which is just driving the car. She got to help put some work in. But let me start grabbing these seats for y'all. This is as much of the seat that I have seen this far. I have never unwrapped them, so I'm going to go ahead and start unwrapping these things. I might even make a TikTok. If you aren't following me on TikTok, go ahead and look me up, thelsswapguru. Make sure you can follow. I'm about to start posting all the sneak peeks back on that thing, you know what I'm saying? So let's get to it. We got the front seats. We have the back and butt seats for the rear. And over here, we got the console. Damn, I'm thinking too fast. We have the door panels. And once I install the seats, he's basically going to come by and measure up the console. Yes, I'm going to get a special console cut in this thing. So, cut and made to this thing. So, anywho's, let me open up this seat and get to it. That damn long to put these damn back seats in. I don't know if they coming out. I'm gonna be honest, I think I probably should have went diamond stitching too, but fuck it, twin like it. Passenger side seat. So one thing I have to do to these seats are, it's gonna bother me if I don't do it. I have to take the rails out and respray them because they're like fucking, and nobody's not gonna see it, but the fact that I know it's there, it's gonna annoy the hell out of me. So I'm gonna take those out and respray them black. It smells like a brand new damn car though. So now this thing is actually looking like a freaking car, dude. I can dig it. I can dig it. Last thing I have to do is put in the headrests. Then you got the seat belts. I don't know why this little ass piece right here keep falling. See what the hell I can do to make that stay up there. I told him whatever he needed to buy brand new, buy it to make it work, but get these headrests in and I'm gonna be right back. Cool. So this is what everything looked like. I actually had to take the screws out, pry it forward, and then smack it down. And yeah, it actually went good. So leave it. Basically, this is like an OG style, whatever. For y'all that don't know, twin nickname is Oreo, and that's exactly what this car gonna be. A Oreo, black and white. So come on, camera, focus. Are you on autofocus? Then autofocus. The only thing I gotta do now is the sit test and see how comfortable these things are. Even though, you know, this booty meat, you know what I'm saying, excuse the language, gotta break these things in. Let's just do a seat test though. See what this thing feel like. Okay, shit. Squeeze my fine ass up in this. Cute. Oh yeah, you know what I'm saying? Cowboy, for me to rock the cowboy hat, top's definitely gotta be off, but no, this is this is decent. It's damn near like you gotta just howdy bitch, you know what I'm saying? This is decent. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I know it's nothing crazy. I'm just trying to give you guys an update. We got the interior in. Here's a few things. Black people having funniest laughs. There is a few things that I do see with the interior, as far as carpet wise, as far as seats wise, that I do feel like I want to have, you know, just have it, you know, touched up a little bit. Once these door panels get in, oh man. So I need to do the door panels. I need to do the dashboard. The lower dash is actually in perfect condition. I'm gonna have him come over and start fabricating up the what is this thing called? Basically start modifying the console to do the AC and all that stuff, and the switches. I don't know, man. We'll see how all this shit turns out. I don't even know what the fuck this is for. But yeah, we'll get all this stuff situated. Like, subscribe, show love, hit the thumbs down. Only if you guys hit the bum. I know it's probably not Tuesday, but enjoy this Tea Top Tuesday video. We're gonna bring them things back because I have more than enough content for twins.